Hello, everyone. Well, we are making a return to one of my favorite parks in Lake County, Moraine Park in Highland Park, Illinois. Now, if you recall, we visited this park a couple of years ago, more about a year and a half ago, fall 2019, to check out the fall colors, and we found out that we could still access most of the park, but the trail was officially closed due to flooding. Now, I happen to be in the Highland Park area tonight. It is spring, officially now, 2021, and wanted to see what was going on down here. And this is what we're dealing with. It appears to be even more closed than it was last time. So, yeah, that's not a really good sign. Literally. And so this was the main entrance into the trail, which eventually leads down to the dog park, the dog beach. And no way anyone is getting over to the dog beach anytime soon. And they are not messing around. They got 2 fence lines now. Hazardous conditions. You can't really see much of the trail over there, but it certainly doesn't look like they've done any renovations to fix anything. We can still see the ravine at least. None of the leaves have grown in yet on the tree. As I say, spring just started. It's still March. But the trail is still closed. You can still see some of the original fencing blocking off the trail on the bridge over there. The bridge itself still looks like it's intact. And the trail, the part of the trail that got flooded out, was over there. Can't really see too much from this angle. And you can still see a little bit here the old stone bridge that we've walked on a few times now in our videos is still there as well. And so that is the status of Moraine Park in Highland Park, Illinois. I'm a little surprised. This was fall 2019 when we tried to go here, and it got flooded out probably from summer 2019. And unfortunately, not a very good sign that things have gotten fixed and that we will be able to walk that trail anytime soon. Park itself is open still, the field. Some folks playing baseball over there, I believe. It's a very nice spring day. Now this little park, found by me on accident in my early days of this YouTube channel, just looking for a park where I could get some video of Lake Michigan, has become sort of a staple of this channel. A little series, if you want to call it. Maybe not quite as big of a series as Long Grove has become, but it was one of those things where, I just haven't visited this park in a while since before the pandemic and wanted to give it a look through. I was hoping for some more exciting news and be able to walk this trail again. I'm honestly very surprised. Definitely was not expecting it to still be closed, but it is what it is. Not a super exciting video, but felt the need to share this update with you. But don't worry, we will be back, and hopefully we'll be walking the trail again someday. But thank you for watching. Make sure to subscribe, and of course, check us out on Facebook and Instagram. I'm trying to post more photos on Instagram, get a little better with that, so thank you for checking us out there as well, and thank you for watching.